Good morning, Parker from VTV here, and during this coronavirus pandemic, I've been wanting to test out a new hobby for some time, and that's been cooking. And since my mom has been home, and I've been home, I've been able to test out this hobby and provide my mom with some good food to eat. So today, I'll be showing you guys how to make a good old classic breakfast sandwich that will make you feel good and make your mom feel good. So let's get into it. Well, first, of course, with this whole coronavirus thing, especially, even without the coronavirus right now, you gotta make sure you start with washing your hands. That should be step one to cooking every single time. Cooking, baking, whatever you're doing. That's step one. You in my shot again? So here we are at the bread corner, where we got some good bread. Now my mom, she either goes for, she likes the English muffin or the bagels, the mini bagels. I think today we're gonna go with a good mini bagel. You know, let's go.